Child, I'm trying to be so smooth with this box. I'm already ready. You still got to put your shoes on. What's happening? Ooh. And we pray together. We'll stay together. Oh, jeez. Quality wigs for beginners. If you want to get ignorant, Brandy. Yeah. Good morning, cousins. Good morning. It's your girl, Mary Kay. And y'all, we about to get into this sleigh. As you can see, well, I don't know if you can tell, but it's super duper early. So I am still like, I'm there, but not there. But kind of there, not. Y'all know I be something else when I'm all the way there. So I'm just letting it up because we family. Family. Everybody did that. And we pray together. We'll stay together. Y'all remember Cora now? Yeah. All right, y'all. We're going to get into the sleigh real quick. But first, what I'd like to do right now is give it up for my subscriber of the day. Bam. You the bomb. You the bomb. This sleigh has been brought to you by My First Wig. Quality wigs for beginners. I'm telling you, put me on payroll, bro. Put me on payroll. Okay, so today I am trying a headband unit named Brandy. Brandy is a kinky, straight, wand curled headband wig, and I think it's gonna look very natural. I hope so. When I saw it, I was like, ooh, I think I'm probably about to like this. I just want to make mention that the curls are temporary because they'll fall over time. This is 100% Indian Remy hair, so it's not processed to stay in that curl, which is great. It's like a 2-in-1. You'll have a kinky straight wig, but when you first get it, it'll have these beautiful wand curls. Also, My First Wig has a wand curler. Like if you see them beginning to fall and you like that look and you do not already have a wand curler, you can get their wand curler as well and you can keep the party going. You don't have to. Let me just give you the specs, y'all. You know, I have reviewed several of My First Wigs. They are 100% human hair, beginner friendly. You know, headband wigs are ready to go, ready, set, go. I'm already ready. You still got to put your shoes on. What's happening? You don't have to worry about hairline, especially if you are trying to regrow your hairline. If you want to get ignorant and do swoopa-doops like me, you can get ignorant and do your swoopa-doops and let your swoopa-doops be seen and it look like the wig is connected to your hair and your swoopa-doops is giving it all the extra glory of it, and then you can, you know, move. My cats. I specifically told them not to open the door. Straight, hi. You can work your hairline or you could leave your hairline alone. Either way, you're gonna slay. What that means is this is a protective style and a really quick one. This is probably the quickest protective style on earth. I don't know. You just put it on and you go. What's quicker than that? Of course, you can get different sizes. You can get different lengths. I have the 18-inch, so we'll see what 18 inches looks like in a minute. Cap size 1, that's my domology. Take at least the circumference of your head. That will determine what cap size you fall in. 130% density, which is probably very good since it's a kinkier type of wig. So I'm just gonna give her a really quick try on before I like super slay it and then get my face together because the sister is looking like I just woke up. This is the face that my husband get to look at all the time. I think he's happy with it. This is their wig stand. Boom, boom. This is their wand curler. So when your curls start to fall, if you want them to get back up again, you see. So we fall down, but we get up. Okay. Now let's get into this wig. My first wig. Okay. Y'all, I could never do this right because with boxes, I'm trying to be aesthetic and it's messing it up. It is not even happening today. You are, ooh. Let's see what I have in this goodie box right here. I have some of their edge control. I've tried this before. It was actually pretty good. The Edge Whisperer. Brush on one side, comb on the other side, and it's all good. I love those little things. Oh, this is their Zodiac collection. Oh, they sent me a little mask too, y'all. Thank you. Stars. It matches my tattoos. Oh, jeez. These two headbands. Bam. I have my little starter kit baggie heavy duty wig clips. I love these. I have a gazillion of them. Bobby pins and a rat tail comb. Now, here's the wig bags that you keep your wigs in. You keep your wigs in here, okay? I'm telling you. Wig cap. Ooh. Oh. This about to be cute, y'all. Here's the wig. These are the wand curls. Ooh, so pretty. It's the standard headband cap. This is your Velcro standard black headband that's attached to the wig. 1, 2, 3 combs around the front perimeter. 1 comb in the back, and you have an adjustable strap. I just want to toss this on and kind of see what's what before I slay it out the park, you feel me? Ooh, let's see. Let me just push that back a little bit. I don't know exactly where I'm gonna have the headband sitting, so for right now, I will just sit it right there. The hair feels very natural. This feels like natural hair that has been wand curled. No wig shine. Wig shine is not mine. Very, very good. I see the razzle dazzle. I see it. I do. Y'all see the razzle dazzle already? Cause I do. Let me do just a little bit of finger fluffing because I see the vision. Oh yeah. I see what y'all did, my first wig. I see what y'all did. Now I'm not going all the way through the ends. I'm kind of stopping when I get to the end. I'm gonna continue to fluff this until I get the shape that I am going for. Oh yeah. I see where we going with it. Okay, y'all, hold on. Let me get myself together and I'll be right back once it's all the way fluffed and jazzed and razzle dazzle. Hold on.